In a world full of dirty dishes and busy dish rooms, there's only one sparkling clean standard that all washing performance, labor savings, and lifetime value are judged by. Clean. Hobart Clean. Hello, I'm Special Agent Travis, aka your trusty Hobart Innovation Lab engineer. And today, we're taking you behind the scenes for a top secret tour of our Hobart Innovation Lab to experience the world of high performance dish ops. Blueberry. When it comes to cleaning dishes and cookware, perhaps the most nefarious of all the pie fillings. But thanks to Hobart's ultra-effective wash system technologies with specially designed wash arms and NSF pot and pan rated cycles, Hobart commercial dishwashers are always ready to power away even the toughest food soils. Aha! Just as I suspected. Clean! Hobart Clean. Oh, man. Okay, calm down, stay calm. This is a lot of dirty dishes, and this will take forever to pre-scrape and get clean. Well, I've got one word to disarm this dish room productivity time bomb: automatic soil removal.
That's 3 words, Travis.
Yeah, well, all of us special agents know it by its code name, ASR. So, anyways, this bit of time-saving technology pumps food soil out of wash water so you can spend less time pre-scraping by letting more food soil enter the machine while still maintaining cleaner wash water for longer periods of time. This means fewer wash water changes and loads of extra time for your dish room agents to spend time on things other than dishwashing. Just look at everything that came out of the machine. Once again, clean. Hobart Clean. Ah, yes, and water. The lifeblood of any commercial dishwasher, and a primary resource and expense for any dish room. As you probably surmised, Hobart's engineering team has covered this too. Our advanced drain water energy recovery technology recycles heat from your drain water to save energy on heating the booster and cools drain water to reduce the need for drain water tempering, saving you lots of water and money over the life of your machine. No surprise here, clean, Hobart Clean. Shaken and stirred. Oh, and let me show you one more thing. You know what really gets me steamed about commercial dishwashers? That's right, the steam. Clearly, it's an issue, and not just for us in the spectacle-wearing crowd. Steam can make any dish room uncomfortable and can cost a fortune to mitigate with extra ductwork and vent hoods. So, along comes Hobart with high-performance ventless technology on all our machines that actually recycles heat and steam from the machine, turning wasted heat into something useful. Oh, and along the way, it reduces the humidity and heat output so much that it eliminates the need for a vent hood or direct venting, so you can save money on installation costs. Not to mention that it makes the dish room much more comfortable for your agents. Staff. Eradicate dish room steam while saving cash and improving employee satisfaction? You guessed it, that's clean. Hobart Clean. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for visiting the Hobart Innovation Lab. And until next time, keep it clean. Hobart Clean. For more innovations and information, visit hobartclean.com.